Hello students, good morning. I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to discuss a very important case on contempt of court. Okay, and this is a recent case also. Fine. So let's start with the case. So the name of the case is Jalim Singh versus Nand Kishore and others. Okay. Now let's talk about the background. That what are the facts of this case. Fine. So there was a man who was an employee and he was suspended from his job. Okay. So a man, he was an employee and he was suspended from his job. Fine. He went to the Allahabad High Court to fight against his suspension and he won the case. Fine. So he filed the case in the Allahabad High Court. Okay. Against his suspension and he won the case also. The court ordered that he should receive his full salary for the time he was suspended along with all his service and retirement benefits. Okay, so court ने क्या order दिया? High Court, that is Allahabad High Court ने order दिया that he is entitled to receive his full salary for the time he was suspended. Okay, so for the time he was suspended, उसके लिए भी that person would be entitled to receive the full salary along with all the services and the retirement benefits. So not only the salary would be given to him, but he is entitled to all the services and the retirement benefits. Okay, so this was the decision which was given by the Allahabad High Court. Okay, now let's talk about the problem. That problem कहाँ arise हुई? Okay, so the problem, the bank refuses to pay. अब problem arise हुई जब बैंक ने refuse कर दिया to pay. बैंक ने कहा that we are not going to pay you. Fine. So with the court's decision in hand, the man went to the bank, that is his employer, to get his money. Okay, so this person's employer was basically the bank. Okay, so this man, he went to the bank, that is he went to the employer in order to get his money. Fine. However, the bank refused to follow the High Court's order and did not pay him. So what did the High Court did? The High Court refused to follow the High Court's, the bank refused to follow the High Court's order and it said that we are not going to pay you. Okay. यहाँ तक सभी को क्लियर होगा आई सपोज. देन इज द सरप्राइज. ओके, अब कोर्ट में क्या ट्विस्ट आया, सरप्राइज एलिमेंट क्या है आप लोगों के लिए इसमें. ओके, सो टू गेट जस्टिस द मैन फाइल्ड अ कंटेम्प्ट ऑफ कोर्ट पिटिशन. Okay, so in order to get justice, what the man did, he filed a contempt of court petition. Okay, normally a contempt case is filed when someone ignores a court's order and the court is supposed to punish them for it. Okay, so basically contempt of court कब फाइल किया जाता है? Contempt of court is basically filed when someone ignores the court's order and the court is also supposed to punish them for it. Okay, so this person, he filed a contempt of court petition. Fine. However, something very strange happened. Okay, something very strange happened. अब आप सोच रहे होगे कि ऐसा क्या हुआ जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा strange था. Okay, so instead of punishing the bank, the Allahabad High Court decided to re-examine the whole case from the beginning. Okay, so instead of punishing the bank, what did the Allahabad High Court did? It decided to re-examine the case from the very beginning. Okay, अब जो person था उसने तो फाइल इसलिए किया contempt of court petition so that बैंक जो है, बैंक ने जिसने order follow नहीं किया, bank should be punished. तो whereas what happened, the Allahabad High Court, instead of punishing the bank, okay, the Allahabad High Court re-examined the whole case, that too from the very beginning. Okay, after looking at the old evidence again, the High Court changed its mind and said that the man was actually ineligible for his benefits. Okay, so after examining the old evidence again, what did the High Court found? The High Court found that actually the person is not eligible to get the benefits. The High Court found that he is basically ineligible for the benefits. Okay, they basically cancelled their own previous decision that had favored the men. ओके, अब क्या हुआ इसमें सडन ट्विस्ट? जो हाई कोर्ट ने ऑर्डर दिया था, इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट ने जो ऑर्डर दिया था इन द फेवर ऑफ दैट पर्सन, दे बेसिकली रिवर्स दैट ऑर्डर एंड नाउ दे हैड गिवन द ऑर्डर इन द जजमेंट in the favor of the bank. Fine. So earlier the judgment was given in the favor of that man, that now you are entitled to receive all your benefits, but thereafter the high court reversed its judgment and it said that now you are not entitled to get the benefits. Fine. So now what next? अब क्या हुआ? So the Supreme Court steps in. Okay. Now the Supreme Court step in. Fine. So the man was shocked and took the matter to the Supreme Court of India. The man was shocked, in utter shock. He filed the matter before the Supreme Court. So this person, he went in appeal before the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court reviewed the situation and it made several very important points. Okay. So what did the Supreme Court did? Supreme Court ने review किया matter and it has made several very important points. Fine. So let's talk about those points which were made by the Supreme Court. So first is the limited power in the contempt cases. So first observation which was made by the Supreme Court is this, that limited power in contempt cases. Okay. So the court said that when a court is handling a contempt case, its only job is to check if its previous order was followed. Okay. So what did the court said? The Supreme Court said that whenever a court is handling a case which is a contempt case, then its main job is to check if the previous order was followed. बस आपका इतना ही रोल है, आपको बस यही चेक करना है that if the previous order was followed or not. आपके पास beyond power नहीं है. Fine, you cannot exercise much power beyond your authority. Fine. So it does not have the power to decide if that previous order was right or wrong all over again. The Supreme Court said that the court does not have the power to decide if the previous order was right or wrong all over again. आपको सिर्फ इतना decide करना है that whether the previous order was followed or not. बस आपका इतना ही role है. Okay. Next observation which was made by the Supreme Court is this, that settled issues stay settled. Okay, जो चीज एक बार settle हो गई है वो settled ही रहेगी. Fine. So once a case is finally decided and a judgment is given, a court cannot just reopen it. So what did the Supreme Court said? The Supreme Court said that once a case is finally decided and a judgment is given on it, fine, then a court cannot just reopen it or change it during a contempt hearing. After all, it is taking a contempt hearing only. सिर्फ contempt hearing ही तो चल रही है. Contempt hearing में आप ये थोड़ी ना देखोगे कि आपने जो previous judgment दिया है वो ठीक है नहीं और all over again you are going to revise it. ऐसा नहीं होगा. Contempt hearing का मतलब ये है that all you have to do is you have to see whether the previous order was followed or not. Okay, you just cannot reopen and change the entire case. Fine. So this thing should not be followed whenever a court is hearing a contempt petition. Fine. Then next is respecting the law. Okay, the Supreme Court made the observation that the law should be respected. The Supreme Court said that the High Court went beyond its authority by reversing its own earlier judgment. Okay, अभी मैंने आपको बताया ना that a court cannot go beyond its authority. So this is what the Supreme Court said. The Supreme Court said that High Court went beyond its authority by reversing its earlier judgment. Okay, clear है? Then is the final result, that is the justice reclaimed. So the Supreme Court cancelled the High Court's second order. They ruled that, so what did the Supreme Court did? Supreme Court cancelled the High Court's second order. Okay, and they ruled that, so what ruling was given by the Supreme Court? The Supreme Court ruled that the original judgment must be followed and the man must receive all his salary and retirement benefits. Okay, so the Supreme Court said that the original judgment which was given by the High Court of the Allahabad, it must be followed and that man, he is entitled to receive all his salary and the retirement benefits. Okay. Second observation made by the Supreme Court was, because the man was put through so much unnecessary trouble and legal fighting. Okay. The court ordered that he should be paid rupees 1 lakh in compensation. Fine. So since this man had to go through a lot of trouble and he has to go through a lot of legal fighting, the court decided that he should be given rupees 1 lakh as a compensation. Fine. So now I hope that this case is clear to you, and this is a very landmark case, students, on contempt of court, and this is a recent judgment also. Okay. So kindly go through it. Thank you.